Welcome to the Cooking General, man. Hey, man, glad y'all there. And for y'all new people there, I'm the Cooking General. Now, this ain't no how-to show. This ain't no cooking show. Hey, I just teach basics. But, man, this basic idea I'm going to teach y'all today, man, with a little extra work on that there, y'all can knock out the park because I already knocked it out. You just follow these basic ingredients. Man, we're going to do some supersized hot wings. And I'm going to show you how to do them. And you got to worry about them little bones and all that stuff. So, man, I ain't going to hold y'all up. Let's get ready, man. It's going to be on. Cooking General. That's somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, to do these supersized hot wings, you know what I'm saying, we're going to go big with them. We're going to use turkey wings on ours. Now, let me show you all the stuff we're going to use to get these bad boys just right, man. I'm telling you, they're going to be good. They're big and they'll fill you up. You got to worry about them little bones and stuff. So, right here, I got an onion, and we're going to use bell pepper. We're also going to, because we got to ball them first, so we're going to use us a can of chicken broth to put in there with it, to ball them. And you need well, you don't need that there, but I need that. But anyway, you're going to need some Creole seasoning. Now, I got some garlic salt, some black pepper. You know you're going to need some flour to fry them in. I'm going to fry mine in peanut oil. And I also got vinegar, because you're going to put a little bit of vinegar to make them tender. I got my hot sauce. I got the Louisiana brand. You can get any kind. And I got my butter. And I'm also going to have my bacon ranch, you know, to dip them in. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be on. Let's get this stuff started. Cooking General. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, as you can see, I got my turkey wings right here. Now, I done seasoned them. I've used my Tony's. I use garlic, salt, and black pepper. Now, this is going to season the water, because you're going to season your flour when you get ready to fry them. So you want to just go ahead and put them in the water. So the water just barely kind of cover them up just a little bit. I'm going to put them off in there. And then I'm also going to add in my chicken broth. We're going to put that in there. And we're going to get ready to boil these here. So I'll get that in there. Alrighty. And I got to get it all out of there. You already know me. And then I'm going to put about, I don't want no pickle taste, you know how I say it, about 3 cups of vinegar. Alrighty. And we're going to add our onions, bell pepper. You ain't got to cut them up all fancy. Let's get that in there. There we go. And now we're finna go boil these here. And when they get about done, kind of like a little tender, then we're going to get ready to fry them. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty, y'all. I just got them boiled. They tender just like I want them. It's just like that there. Now, we finna get these boogers battered up and get them fried. Next step. Let's go. Alrighty. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, if you're not really too good at frying things, you can. I could have pulled out the deep fryer. Could have used a new skillet, but I'm just cooking the old-fashioned way. So this kind of option, if you want to, you know, put them in a skillet, or, you know what I'm saying, you want to put them in something else, or a deep fryer, or cast iron, whatever, you can do it that way. I could have done it that way too, but I'm just old-fashioned. I want to be outside, so I'm deep frying mine in a skillet. But if you ain't got that many skills, put them in a deep fryer. You ain't got nothing to worry about. But I pretty much got this under control. All right, let's get these boogers fried up, and then I'll show y'all how to make the sauce, and we'll be getting out of here. Cooking General. Ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got them golden brown and pretty. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's what you want them. Now, this other thing here is going to be a little quick tip for the, you know, people, you know what I'm saying, a little bit unexperienced. Use a pot. I'm going to still use my same skillet. I'm using Old Faithful. Now, what I did here, I added my Louisiana Tabasco sauce. I used a stick of butter, and I used a capful of vinegar off in here. Believe me, let's try it. And now we're finna put them in there. And if I had a pot, I could have just dipped them, but I'll make it hard on myself. You ain't got to make it just hard on yourself. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. You can see now, that's what you call a supersized hot wing. And man, you can serve, you know, you can serve it with, you know, if you want your celery, your piece or whatever. When them guys come over for game night, man, serve them this here. Man, they got taste for it. Look here. Look. See there? Pull apart. Dip it off in there. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and conclude this video. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty. How y'all like this right there? Man, I'm glad y'all like it, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no chef, but I do got 30 years experience in R&D. So, you know, man, I'm always coming up with new ideas, classic ideas. And then later on, starting early next year, I'm gonna start doing more stuff like German food, Indian food. I want to start doing other things too, because I'm just not on soul food. It's just new ideas. I do everything. I'm the cook in general. I can cook anything. If you can eat it, I can cook it. Cook in general. Let's get out of here.